Ready to wipe your iPad clean and start fresh, whether it's to fix glitches or get ready to sell it. Let's get your iPad back to factory settings. First, find and tap the Settings app icon on your home screen. It's the one with the gear. Once in Settings, scroll down and select General. Now, look for and tap Transfer or Reset iPad, which is usually near the bottom of the General Settings list. You'll see a couple of options. Choose Erase All Content and Settings. This is what will completely wipe your iPad. This is a crucial step. A warning prompt will appear. Select Continue. Double check that you've backed up anything important. You may be prompted to enter your iPad passcode, then enter your Apple ID password. This step is important, especially if you plan on selling your iPad. The iPad will begin erasing all content and settings, which could take a few minutes to complete. Be patient and don't interrupt the process. Once finished, your iPad will restart, and you'll see the hello screen. Your iPad is now factory reset. And that's it. You're done. Consider liking and subscribing for more helpful iPad tips.